Seems like I'll finally justify getting this gamer chair. I'm sorry if it's a bit dark. I don't want to put light on myself. I like darkness better. Let me know in the chat if I'm loud enough. I had to find a mic and made up something just to get to work with everything, but like we should be fine. But let me know if it's working or not. I'm just gonna post on my everything that I'm live. Actually, let me look at that link. I'm sure you didn't miss the 10 minutes of Adrien trying to fumble and look for a way to share the bloody live. That was funny. Okay, I can see it here. I'm gonna share it to everywhere. Everywhere is just Facebook. Sorry. Let me know if you can hear me. My god, the Wi-Fi is so bad. What I'm gonna do is the Wi-Fi is so bad. I'm gonna use the LAN and connect that to my laptop so that at least the stream is going on. No, not you. Okay. Hi, sorry. Hi. I try my best. So I think we can start now. I'm just trying to connect everything with everything. Now I'm connected to the LAN, so the internet should be better because it's been terrible. So yeah, I'm gonna start a video now, right? Yo, c'est Adrien, you know who I am. I've stopped doing videos as of late, right? How ironic that we only meet here when we're all back to quarantine. That's fun. That's one way of saying it, fun. But yeah, I've been pushed for months by my best friend to I've been pushed for months by my best friend to like play this game, Detroit Become Human, and I've been playing Goose. I've been evading that because like actually I wanted to be, this is the type of game that I don't play a lot of, and I wanted to like have an audience, and thankfully we're in the second lockdown. Thankfully, it's a terrible thing to say, but hey, wait. Sorry, there's a problem with the chat. Let me try popping it out. Let me try restoring it. Okay, restoring is not working. I'm sorry, I have no clue if people are writing anything. Maybe you're not. Just, yeah, connection is trash. Thanks, Jeremy. I will just keep that tab open here because my connection is trash. I think everyone else's is. But without further ado, because everyone says that, let's jump. I'm gonna start doing YouTube cliches and just click on start. Okay? Please don't expect like overreaction. I can't do that. I can't yell. I can't be like, what happened? Like, this is not me. I'm just gonna be playing the video game. Hi. Shout out LKS. Wait, did I? No, actually I didn't post it. I didn't let anyone know, but oh yeah, I didn't because my internet is bad. I'm gonna switch to data. Quantic Dream. Detroit Become Human. To be fair, I wanted to play the game for a long time, but like...
Hello. Welcome to the Detroit experience. I'm an android and I'll be your hostess. Before we begin, Let's make some adjustments to optimize your experience. These language settings were detected on your console. Are they correct?
English, English, yeah, so you can read. Medium, what do you like? What do you like? I'm gonna put it on medium. Large isn't necessary, like we're young enough to not have to use that. Yes.
Please adjust your screen settings.
You're not getting it, but like, or maybe you're getting it because my mic is close to me. Like whatever I'm doing is making sounds on the PS4, and that's another reason why it's the best console on earth. Another reason why it's not the best console on earth, and I don't know if you can pick that up, my PS4, which is a PS4 Pro, which is like maybe a meter away, meter and a half away from me, has become a jet engine. Fantastic. Okay, adjust value until center icon is barely visible. I can't see anything. Okay, barely visible. That's barely visible. Keep changes, yes.
Thank you. Now select your profile.
Jesus Christ, we get too many menus. Choose difficulty, experience, casual, experience. I want immersive gameplay with advanced control. A fair challenge where mistakes can mean losing a car. Of course, the other one is what? Nope. Yeah, I get it.
When this sign is displayed, please do not turn off your console.
Yeah.
You are now ready to begin the trial.
I'm sorry if you hear two sounds, it's just that I don't want to bother. I have to get I have to get the thingy you put. Headset, right? I got one, but I hate it. I need to get like Bluetooth one. Okay, forgive me starting. Shut up. He's just flexing. 69. Nice. I'm sure they did that on purpose. That's 69. Oh, straight into it. Hello. Interact using the right stick. Okay. On est là. Alright. How do I... Phillips John, that's her dad. He's born in 1999. Wait, he's a Gen Z? Gen Z? Phillips Caroline, she's born in 2001. I forgot, when, that's in the future. Yeah, I forgot about that. Because I'm like, yeah, the girl is born in 2028. Okay, I think I'm... Alright, I'll need some time to adapt to the right stick. Kneel. Are we gonna pray? Dwarf, go many. Go ahead. Choose by performing the right movement. No, I'm gonna save a fish. Like, why is that even an option? Software instability. Okay. I'm sorry, there are dogs fighting outside.
Please, you gotta save my little girl. Wait. You're sending an android?
All right, now, you need to go.
You can't do that. You... Why aren't you sending a real person?
Because we're in the future and... please shut up, lady. Is it just fish? Is it just fish? Why are we wasting time sitting an android to negotiate? To consult objective. Find Captain Allen. Okay. Can I just go everywhere and just take a look? Fuck. Oh my god. You can't do side quests until you progress in the main mission. Type of vibe. Okay, let's talk to Captain Allen. Captain Allen.
My name is Connor. I'm the android sent by CyberLife. It's firing at everything that moves. It already shot down 2 of my men. We could easily get it, but they're on the edge of the balcony.
If it falls, she falls.
Wait, I just saw Jeremy's message about it being super glitchy. I'm sorry, I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it's the internet doing that. I'm sorry. Yikes. What I can do is that afterwards I'm gonna pause a thingy. Let me see if my OBS is fine. I guess it's just this internet. I'm sorry about that, guys. Yes, I checked my phone, Jeremy. I'm gonna reply to you. I hope it's the internet and not the capture code. Okay, let's just play and then hopefully it gets better. YouTube is not receiving enough to maintain smooth streaming as much viewers will experience. How can it be poor? I'm connected to the LAN. My connection is a 50. I think it's 50. Yeah. How dare you be poor, chérie? What the hell? Now I'm frozen. I think it's lagging very, very bad. Jesus. It's advancing frame by frame. For real. Internet. Okay, I'm gonna play the game and hopefully you guys get to catch up before next year. Yeah, even on my screen when I see the live thingy, I can see that it's lagging. That's like... Okay, Jeremy. Alright. Okay, I'm sorry. The int's name, the int behavior, emotional shock, the activation code. Let's get the name.
Do you know its name?
I haven't got a clue. Does it matter?
I need information to determine the best approach.
That's very nice. The int's behavior.
Do you know if it's been behaving strangely before this?
Listen, saving that kid is all that matters. So either you deal with this fucking android now, or I'll take care of it.
Rude. Probability of success is dropping. Save a stage at all costs. Understand what happened. Is that a choice? Oh. Yeah, no. Sorry, just watching. Yeah, I'm just frozen in time. I'm pretty sure it's the internet, not the capture card, because everything seems fine with my OBS. Like, it should reflect. Jesus Christ, how bad is it? Okay, you know what? I think I'm gonna stop this live and relaunch it. Okay? So I'm gonna relaunch the live. You guys, join that.